Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper. Here is Zena the Glamper Camper. Today we're just taking a short pit stop in Cookin, New Mexico. We are going to be reviewing another cooking item that makes cooking in a camper quick and easy. We've got the Bear Creek Creamy Potato Soup Microwave Singles. Now these are super easy. All you do is take the single serve packet and put it into a microwave safe bowl, and they smell really good. And then the only other thing you do is dump in 1 cup of water, and then you just stir them up, make sure that the whole mixture is totally dissolved. And then according to the directions, we microwave the bowl on high for 1.5 minutes, stir it, and then another 1 minute. So let me turn on the generator and we'll get that going. So now we are just gonna pop these into the microwave. Now that they've been in for the initial microwave, we are just going to stir them up a little. And our microwave is not the highest powered since it is in the camper. So instead of doing 1.5 minutes and then 1 minute, I'm microwaving them for 2 minutes and then 2 minutes again. And then after 4 minutes of cooking, some of these pieces of potato are still a little bit hard. So that's probably the only con that I can find in this soup. So if you did want them to be softer, I would cook them for probably at least 1 or 2 extra minutes. And I did not read the directions all the way. At the bottom of the list, it says to let this soup just chill for 1 to 2 minutes so that it can thicken up. So after it sits, it is quite a lot thicker. So for $8, I got 6 packets of single serve soup. And all you need is water, a soup packet, and a microwave. It took less than 5 minutes to cook. It was really delicious. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great one.